Search on YouTube English skill improvement. Go to About section. Click on Website. Click on Explore Courses. Go to Basic English Vocabulary Crash Course. Click on Buy Now. Enter your email and password to sign up. Click on Save. To save password, you can click on Save. Then pay securely. Enter your phone number. There are various options such as Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, debit card, credit card, UPI. You can choose any one. After the completion of payment, this page will be shown and you will get an email in your email ID which you provided. Then you can start learning. Now you have to verify your email. To verify your email ID, you have to go to Gmail app. In your email ID, after the successful payment, you will receive an email. You can see here, please verify your email. You have to click on Verify Account. Then enter your email and password to sign in. After sign in, your email account will be verified successfully. Then you can continue your study. If you have any query related to the course, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is +917044738166, or you can send me an email. The email ID is englishskillimprovement.contact@gmail.com. Thank you.